Hey foodie babes, welcome back to the Hey Charlie Cooking Channel. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. This simple recipe is quick and easy and it literally takes about 20 minutes. Alright, so you'll just need a few ingredients. You'll need some fresh ground chicken, some green onions, some olive oil, some Chef Magic, Chef Paul Padone, some sesame oil, some fish oil, a little hoisin sauce, and you can use garlic or rosemary or mix your own. Sometimes you can find this at TJ Maxx or Marshall's, but I always like this blend because it's really nice. You can use it with so many different variations of foods. But if you don't have this blend, you can actually just get some ground rosemary and also some sea salt and some ground garlic, and you can prepare your own. Same thing. Soy sauce, 1 small can of 8-ounce sliced water chestnuts, a little garlic powder, a little all-purpose seasoning, a little onion powder, a little white pepper. This is going to really enhance the flavor, so make sure that you're using not just black pepper, but white pepper. And then I love the the Peach Carolina Reaper. This is a really good one. I got it from my grocer, so Private Selection carries it, and they have other ones, but this has a little nice spicy hot, so I think you will enjoy this. And then I have the pad thai sauce, and last but not least, my romaine leaf lettuce. Alright guys, so I'm going to start chopping up some onion, some green onion to put inside of my chicken, my ground chicken. Alright guys, so I have my water chestnuts, and you just want to dice these. When you're preparing ground chicken, Asian ground chicken, you want to use just a hint of everything, meaning anything flavorful for Asian. So I will just be adding a teaspoon of that. Next I'll be adding some fish sauce, and that'll be 1 teaspoon. I'll be adding 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Next I'll be adding in my ground chicken. I'm going to turn this down just a little bit. If you're working with the induction stovetop, you want to make sure that your eye is not too high, but you don't want it too low either. Alright. I will be adding in my rosemary garlic seasoning, just a pinch, and just a little pinch of the all-purpose, the Chef Paul Padone, and because I want this to taste like an Asian flavor, I'm going to use a 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. This a stir. This is really a simple recipe to follow. Chicken and turkey usually takes literally a few minutes to prepare. So I'm going to go ahead and add in my green onions next. Alright guys, so you want to get this to a nice light color. This will let you know when you're ground chicken is completely done. I've got a few scallions over here on the side, and we'll add those as garnish later. But for right now, we're going to go ahead and add in our water chestnuts. And you can add in as many as you want. I'm actually using a whole can, so if you're wondering how many, how much, just put the whole can in there, and it's going to be a nice flavor coming through there. Alright, so I will be adding just a couple dashes of soy sauce. 1, 2, and then we'll let this brown just a little bit before we remove this from our heat. Alright guys, so it looks like we are ready for our sauce, our Asian sauce. Plate about a half a cup of that on your lettuce wraps. This is such an easy and fun recipe to make. It's a quick little appetizer for when you have company over, or if you just want something quick on the weekends. Foodie babes, here you have it.